Good morning. 3 weeks ago, this was the greatest rose bed I've ever taken care of. It was so full of promise and buds, like hundreds and hundreds of buds in this bed. But a mysterious bomb went off. I'm hoping you can help me. Please respond to this if you've got an answer. I was preemptive with fungicide in the spring, started feeding as soon as new growth started, feeding heavily every 2 weeks until now, and then also preemptive with safer soap, aphid spray. There are zero aphids here today, and there was a little in the spring, but they're gone. So, what caused this? So behind me, you see the nicest part of the garden. That's still doing fine. Lots of new growth, buds. Very pretty. Lots of color. And let me show you where the bomb went off. I don't know. Roses are a perpetual education. We could keep learning from roses forever, so come right this way. First stop, directly below, you can see this is covered in dead growth. I gotta trim that back today and it's already really small. These guys are doing okay. There's some flowers, looks green, not too spotty. Then over here, quite spotty, very stunted, had to be cut back. Look at all these sticks. There's just nothing here. This is gonna take a couple months to recover. If it does, I think some of them will have to be replaced. Look, isn't that terrible? Yeah, it's pretty bad. There was bark mulch put on about a month ago, and I was careful to keep it away from the base of the plants. And every time I've used bark mulch in this bed, it's been fine. In fact, they respond really well. But look at this, there's like nothing left on this plant here. That was maybe 2 feet high 3 weeks ago. So, I wish I knew what happened here. Look at that. That was more than 2 feet high. Here's a little stump. Pretty bad, huh? So yeah, there's gonna have to be some replacement. Still, at this end of the garden, very pretty. So, what happened? If you got any theories, or if it happened to you... Oh, here's a funny story. This is not a rose. This is a potato plant. Last summer I did the experiment from YouTube of sticking the cutting of a rose into a potato and then burying the potato because, according to the internet, they're supposed to have the perfect amount of moisture in a potato to root a rose cutting. Well, all I grew was potatoes. But we're gonna try and eat them anyway. Until next time.